welcome to Coding Wall. In this video I will show you about routing and navigation in Angular. In Angular each component will have a different views, so navigating from one view to another view I will show you from the scratch. In the current video I'll show two type of routings uh, which I am making in this video. The first one I have showing you two buttons. One is first component and the second one is second component. So these are the routings which I have used. I'll show the two methods. For the first button I have used router link. Okay, this is the router link to directly navigate to the first component. Okay, for this component. And the second one is for second component I have used a function on. So coming to this is the nav to second component functionality, and here I am using the router.navigate and I am giving a router link to this, and in this we'll talk about it later in the video. So let us get started. So coming to the application, first we need to create two components. One is which I have already created, one is first component and the second one is second component. The simple command to create a component is ng gc and the component name. So first comp, this is the code to create a component. So in this way I have created the two components. One is first component and the second one is second comp. So by entering this you will get a two components were created and those are imported. I mean directly it will be imported in the nearest module, app module. Okay, so coming to the code, I will show you. First I will take a div dot row dot row dot col I'm giving a heading here, which one, Angular 10. Okay, so here I will give a HR tag to separate HR. Next I will give a class for buttons. I'll show button so I will give as first comp. Okay, already got this. First comp, so I'll copy this and I will paste it below. I'll give a second name, second comp. Later I will take a div below this, or give a dot row dot col lg12. Here I will give router link, router outlet, sorry, router outlet. Okay, So coming to the app.route component, I need to give path here. I need to give a object inside route path. So path, I need to give name first comp, later comma component, which is I will copy from the component name itself. Okay. First component. So I have already taken this. So comma here I will copy this. C1 component. Okay, I will remove this one. Sorry, I have copied and I didn't remove this. I will give a click function. Click is equal to nav to second comp. Okay, so I will copy this and inside the app component I will paste this. Before that I will need to private router hash for UTR router. So I have already given this. So here this dot router dot navigate, see navigate array inside array object slash see second hyphen comp. So whatever the router name which is there, we need to give that one. Okay, so I will cross check once whether I have given a correct name or not. Okay, so it's a correct name, so I will save it. So here I forgot to mention that the first component HTML is coming from here. This is the text for first component work, which is showing in a UiPath. This is the second component works showing the component. This is a HTML heading which I am showing in UiPath, and I will check this. Okay, got this one. First component, see first hyphen component. Next I will change this name, second component. So here this is in the first component. Okay, after clicking the route it came to first component. If I click on second, it came to the second component. So if I remove this, if I press enter, it is in app.component. Okay, app.component.html. okay, in this way we can do a simple routing. So most of them will use functionality because they want to pass some data, or after doing some action they wanted to call this function, navigate to this route. So that is the reason few of them will use functionality. If in case I don't want anything, I just need to on click, I need to navigate to one page to another page, then we can use like this, like router link directly. Mostly it is used for back purpose. I mean, if I have a page I need to go back to that previous page, I will use that kind of router link and all. If I have a functionality, after the functionality if a logic is satisfied, then I will need to navigate to second component. Then I will use this kind of functionality, and I will give route component directly like this. I will navigate this. Okay, thank